With that, good evening. I'm Paula Toti.
And I'm Kyle Linsky. The National Weather Service confirming just this afternoon an EF0 tornado did touch down in Sardinia. Local 12's Courtney Wheaton shows us the damage it's done and the mess neighbors have been clearing today.
From down telephone poles stopping trains on the tracks to trees falling onto cars and lawnmowers. Storms Wednesday night hit Sardinia hard and quick.
Next thing I knew was all at once, pop, cracks, and then it just was here and then gone.
The Eastern Joint Fire and EMS Department had their work cut out for them.
In total, we responded to 36 in about 4 hours. Property damage, and like I said, trees blocking the roadway. So we had 9 crews total working last night.
Now here back in town, this is probably some of the worst damage I've seen so far. Just take a look at this tree. Completely uprooted, and you can see that it smashed into this car before going over here to this home and slamming into several rooms. And just next door, Bertha Kennison lost her shed, and a tarp now covers her tin roof.
I didn't hear anything other than that it got really, really dark. It poured, you couldn't even see. It started leaking in front of the door, and then after it quit, I started looking, and this is what I found.
It will take some time to rebuild, but neighbors say they're thankful nobody was hurt, and the storm didn't stick around too long.
Our electric went in, out, and then it came back on, and it was over.
In Sardinia, Courtney Wheaton, Local 12 News.
A railroad conductor told us that crews are out today to clean up the telephone poles on the railway. The fire department provided tarps to the residents whose homes were damaged.